Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Spartan case, our limited edition triple layer rugged case for your OnePlus 6T. This case was made with the adventure in mind. We wanted something that could protect your 6T wherever you went. The design is very industrial, leaning heavily towards function over fashion. And we've textured the back to make sure you always have grip, even in suboptimal conditions. And each corner is reinforced to give you that extra protection just in case you do drop it. The buttons are tactile, responsive, and raised so you can feel them when you're not looking. The cutouts are deep, but you still have easy, unrestricted access to your alert slider, speakers, and charging port. Also, your rear camera is protected, and with that beveled edge, you won't get any shadows or unwanted vignetting when you take your photos. You asked for more functionality, so we've added a kickstand on the back, so you can have hands-free viewing wherever you are. The front's got that well-defined front lip that will keep your screen protected when you lay it face down. And we know that most of you will be rocking a tempered glass, so we've made the case as screen protector friendly as possible, but please do bear in mind, some screen protectors may not be compatible. Let's take a look at the inside of the case. We've gone for a denser TPU material over our standard cases and reworked the crash guard structure to suit. We've also added chocks around the inside. These will hold your 6T firmly in place but slightly elevated so that the maximum impact force isn't sent through your phone, keeping it protected. This case feels really solid in the hand thanks to the construction. It comes in 3 pieces that click together to form that sturdy case. The outer polycarbonate shell, the TPU case, and the screen guard. Taking your phone in and out of it's easy. First, place your phone into the TPU tray. Then put the front lip into place, making sure it clips in. Now grab the outer shell and fix it into place, and your 6T now has unmatched rugged protection. To remove the case, just reverse the process. So that's the Orzly Spartan case for the OnePlus 6T, our limited edition triple layer rugged case for your OnePlus 6T. This case is a limited run, we're only making 300, so once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're interested, pre-orders are live now exclusively on our website, orzly.com. Just click the link above or in the description. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and share it, and also follow us on social media for all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.